Hello everyone. In the series of research paper publication in SCI and Scopus Index Journal, so today we will discuss about most important SCI journal in the field of computer science and information technology. So if you belongs to another branch, please write your comment on the comment box. So I will provide your SCI journal on your topics. So let's start the SCI journal in the series of the computer science. So first journal name is the data mining and knowledge discovery, that is the publisher name is Springer. So you can see here how we will check the indexing. So you can just drop down and this about this journal just and this is the indexing. So abstract and indexed in, so these are the things or renowned agency in which the journals is indexed. So this is the science citation index SCI. So this is the SCI journal, SCI, Scopus, Simego. So this is the very renowned journal. So now you can also find the detailed information about this journal. So this is the title of the journal, editor, about the editor, and now about the publishing. So this is the impact factor of the journal, and this is the time duration in which the journal will publish your papers, and everything is mentioned in this. You can just explore these things, submission guideline, ethics and disclosure about the scope of this journal. So this is the first journal. Now the second journal, this is also belongs to the Springer journal, International Journal or Information Security. Now you can also explore aim and scope journal updates after click on this. In the same scenario, this is the about the journal, impact factor 1.822, and this is the time duration in which the maximum time duration. So maybe possible within this duration your paper will be published in this journal, and this is the very good journal also. And this is the indexing. So it is also Scopus and SCI index journal and very renowned agency index journal. So this is the quality index journal. Now the third one is the Elsevier. Publisher name is the Elsevier. The title, Journal of Computer Language. So how we will check the indexing? So just scroll down and click on the indexing. So you can see here is in the same process, indexing, inspects, and now about the journal and open access options. So this is also the very good journal, and this is about the journal indexing and about the all the things, call for papers, issues, now submit paper, open access, view article, track your paper. So everything is mentioned. Now next one is this is also the Springer journal, advances in engineering software. This is the site score of this journal, and this is the 4.914194. This is the impact factor. So this is the very good journal and belongs to the computer science and information technology. So all the students that belongs to the computer science, MCA, ITA, BCA, in these fields are required to publish their paper in the reputed journals. So this is also the exploration of the journal, site scores, impact factor, 5 years impact factor also given in Simego, journal link also given here. So everything is mentioned. You just need to click on authors, submit your papers and authored guideline, and follow these guidelines and also submit the paper. So definitely you will get the publication in this particular journal in the reputed journal. Now next one is the Hindway publisher name. This is the Hindway publisher, and the journal name is the Applied Computational Intelligence and Soft Computing. So in this journal also belongs to the in this categories, and this is the site score, impact factor, and this is the FPC. So this is the guideline about the author's guideline and editorial board. So just you need to click on the particular section whatever you want to explore. So now just we want to click on the database and indexing, so you can check out all the things as we are seeing about the indexing. Now the next one is the again Elsevier. So this is the journal name, artificial intelligence. This is the site score, and this is the very good impact factor 4.483. This is also very good impact factor. Now you can check here from here indexing. This is the SCI index general and Scopus also, and this is the deep detail about this journal. So now you can also publish your paper belongs to the artificial intelligence area. Now next one is the again belongs to the Elsevier. The journal name is the Computer Method and Program in Biomedicine. So those who belongs to particular biomedical engineering, biomedical science, and like this field, so can publish their paper in the reputed journal SCI index journal. So the impact factor of this journal also 3.4. This is that is also good and very good journal. So you can explore all the things whatever you need to require, and can explore about this journal. Semago journal is the 0.753, and everything is mentioned here. So just you need to click on the submit your paper. So first of all you need to see the author guidelines, so guide for authors, and then finally prepare your manuscript, and then finally submit your manuscript to this Elsevier. Now again, this is the Springer journal, that is the Acta Informatica. This is also very good journal, comes under the SCI index journal. So how we will see, just a drop down and you will see here Scopus index journal, SCI index journal, XCI expanded response journals, and this is the very good journal indexed in the very good agency. So this is also the SCI, comes under the SCI, and this is the detail. This is the impact factor of this journal, and this is the time frame. Within this time frame your publication will, your paper will get the published, and this is about the journal. Now you can explore the aim and scope. So what are the things will be covered, so you can just explore the topic will be covered in this journal. These are the mentioned. So if you comes under this category, you just need to explore all the things and prepare your manuscript, and finally follow these guidelines and submit your paper to the publication. Now the next one is the again Hindway journal. So this is the advances in computer engineering. This is that is also comes in this category. That is the very good journal. So you can explore all the paper that is already published in this journal. So accordingly you can prepare your manuscript. So just you need to follow these guidelines and prepare your manuscript. So this is all comes under this category. Now next one is the ACM, transaction on computer human interaction. So this also comes in the SCI index journal, Scopus index, very good journal. ACM is the very renowned platform. So you need to publish your paper in the ACM transaction. So just you need to firstly in the top right corner, this is the registration. So before submitting you need to register yourself on this in this site, and then finally prepare your manuscript according these guidelines given by the ACM transaction. So you can just follow all the guidelines, and then finally submit your paper to the ACM for the publication. So now the last one is the iOS Press. This is the publisher's name. So journal name Intelligent Data Analyst. So if your research area comes under this area, so that is the very good journal and iOS Press, and the impact factor 0.612. This also comes in this category, Science Citation Index and Artificial Intelligence. Subject covered artificial intelligence, computer and communication, linked data statistics. So these are the kind of field covered by this journal. So I hope you all of you understand about these type of the SCI index journal. That is the very important journal. So if you want to know about your field related SCI journals, just you need to write your query in the comment box. So definitely I will provide the SCI index journal within a short duration. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because every notification you will get if you click on just bell icon. So thank you for watching this video.